1,000 years would be worth the wait. Imitate